morning, guys. This is Jeanette from Handmade by Jeannie. Just coming on to show you a purchase I made from Miss Joyce of lajoytracreations. This beautiful bag. I'm going to show you how it came. I already opened it. This is the package. And it was wrapped. Thank you card with her business card inside. And wrapped in this with a nice blue paper and this other tissue paper. And I love it because you're not going to find this nowhere. This is my bag. Don't mind me, I'm in my pajamas though. Yes, it's almost 12. And this little fuzzy with the silver chain. I guess it's this way. I had it wrong. The silver chain. This is to replace a bag that I bought from Rainbow and it's tore up inside. And it's stuffed with tissue on the inside. The black and white pattern, and it has pockets. Can you see the pockets? They had a black and gold one, but I'm not a pattern type of person. I like it plain. I'm a simple. But it's simple and it's beautiful and I love it. With the little ball. And just to show some bracelets that I was working on also. This is a twisted with a spiral on the end. And this is with a would-be charm, and this is with purple gemstones, and it's adjustable. Pull it, put it on, push it back, small as or big as you want. Okay, that's and a simple link with a spiral charm and a clasp. And that's all I have today. Thank you for watching. And go to lajoytracreations and snag you a bag. They're really well made. And they shipped fast and on time. Thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Bye.